Let's look at how to use Restic's extended options. You do Restic options. Restic has a number of backend options that you can use for things such as Amazon S3, the rclone backend, B2, and Google Cloud Storage. Let's say I'm backing up to Amazon S3 and I want to limit the number of connections to the S3 backend. We could do option followed by the option, so in this case S3 connections equals and then the value. By default this option is set to 5, but if we wanted to increase that to 8 connections or 10 connections to help speed things along, you could do S3 region or storage class. For local connections, you can use local connections and set the number of concurrent connections for transfers over USB or over a network. When using rclone, you can specify things like location of the rclone executable, rclone timeout, the number of rclone concurrent connections, and you can specify specific arguments for rclone. In this example, I'm using rclone args, and I'm going to set the S3 ACL to private. Now if I set this to public, this would fail because this is a private bucket. Let's cancel this and clear the screen. I'll provide a link for all the global rclone flags that you can use with the rclone arguments option. And that's just a quick look at using extended options.